This is the processor right here. This piece right here goes on to the processor. And when I got in there, it wasn't secured on there tightly. So that caused another problem of it. It must have wiggled loose or something, but it shouldn't come off that easily. And that's why you guys had startup problems with it, and it was acting funny, and it was going because it was stressing it out. So this is the processor. We know that it works because it was in there. We don't want to risk taking it out, so we're gonna go ahead and leave that in there, and let's see if we can get it fired up. But we got a lot of dust around here that we're gonna try to extract without trying to take off the motherboard. Okay, so you got it all right here. Let's see if I can picture that. That's dust right there. Look at this. Watch that. See? See that? All that runs, the computer got to breathe. And it couldn't breathe. Okay, so that's where we're at right now. And we'll continue on.